There are some things in life that capture one's soul, like design that goes beyond the ordinary, compelling beauty and grace, a sweeping curve, the perfect line. In the pursuit of design, humankind continues to make better and more elegant solutions. From furniture to architecture to the tools we use every day, the unity of form and function can't help but make an impact on our lives. Balance, contrast, texture, color, and some deeper meaning. Art is design. Design is art. Life is kept exciting by the discoveries that emerge. They keep us looking forward, reaching for new ideas and innovations. Apple's 20th anniversary Macintosh, a design for the future.